Have you ever gone to use the show tables command in MySQL and gotten this error, like no database selected? Well, how do you choose, especially those for a beginning, how do you select a database to use in SQL? So that's what we're going to talk about today. So how do we know which tables, or excuse me, which databases that we can use to choose from, right? So you can essentially, just like you can do show tables, you can do show database, bases, and then that'll show you all of the databases. Now, there are some default databases that come, like information schema, performance schema, but then there's this database called test that I've created. Now, if we wanted to use the test database so that I can go in and show tables, all we have to do is a simple command of called use test. And then again, end with a semicolon because that tells SQL that, hey, you're done, you can go ahead and use it. So if we hit enter, now we can see that it's changed the database. It gave us some information regarding our choice. So now all we have to do is basically say show tables, and just like that, oh, I didn't end with a semicolon. And now we can say within tables within the test database, there is a table called test. So that is essentially how you can select a database in MySQL when you get an error like this, where it's just saying, hey, there's no database selected. Well, you can go through the process, say, hey, what databases do I have available to me? And then choose the one that you want to. And just like that, we are now selected that database, and now we can perform queries and different things like that to see and interact with our database. And that's your SQL tip today. Till next time, keep on programming.